Well, our supporting donors, all those who are well-wishers, and all those who have appreciated whatever the artist club and the writers have done, we thank you very much for your support. Your words of encouragement have instilled into us, and we stand here in front of you today because we would like to express our feelings and would like to express our wants onto you, and whoever is willing to lend a hand, because we are all human beings and we need support from one another, we are here today to express our feelings. First of all, you can see all these are the artist club. I mean, this club are men from Sudan, and we have one brother from Congolese. He's here with us because we are all youth and would like to interchange our talents together. The Writers Club, we have really appreciated the material, the short support you have given us. It was really a help to us. That is why we came up with the book that our brother Junior talked about before. It was because of all your commitment, that is why that book came up. If it wasn't for you, as you are going to continue supporting us, we would like something that can make us really develop faster. Because things like we need a recorder, this small recorder that can make us record our own words, because when we are in our own private places or making our own researches, we would like to record something so that when we come down to write it later, we will never forget anything. And also things like a video camera that we are using, like the one we are using now. It is very important if we have a video camera, because our cultures are in diverse, and we would like to collect all that material together, and when it is in form of a film, it will be more lively than for us to write it down in a paper, and it will be more interesting for you to watch it instead of only reading. The whole visual will be in your mind. And again, we would like to have computers. You see, writing in a pen every time, sometimes we lack pens, so that is why we would wish if we have a computer, it will be very easy for us to type the things and they will remain there permanently. The computer will preserve it for us, so that whenever we want to refer, we will always use the computer as a reference. That is why we really want to have a computer. And we would like you people to continue supporting us, providing us with materials for writing, like the writing pads that we are getting here. They are good, and we would like you to continue giving us more, because it is so hard for us as refugees to get that kind of writing material. We can afford a pen, but we would like you to give us more writing pens. And then things like we would like also to have our own freedom area. We would like to have our own places where we can express ourselves right now. Like the room you have seen we are sitting in right now. This room is quite small. We could not all come in one place because the room cannot afford to accumulate all of us in one area. So that is why we would say these are all the short-term plans that we would like you, please, to help us in. And then since people are going back to their own country, some of us, the Sudanese especially, we are going for voluntary repatriation now. We would like to start with the social center. And that is a big apartment where when we go, we can never be scattered again. We can just go and be in one place as writers and artists at the same time. We can all go in and be in one place, and the importance of that center is for us to exchange our talent, is for us to build our talent, and is for us to interact with other people who would wish to come and see whatever we have, because it is all a matter of exchanging ideas with ideas. And in the center, it will be very good if we have places where there are writers who can do their own things without interference from other people, where artists themselves can draw their own things and display their things, so that whenever anybody comes and visit, you will find that the artists have not mixed up with the writers. You will find the work of art alone and the work of writings alone, the work of the poets alone. It will be very important. Then one important thing, because we like this talent, it is for awareness. We would like to develop this talent within ourselves, and then we inform other people who are outside, those who cannot reach us. So we would like to have a place where we can practice our things. It is more likely to perform things than reading. So if we have a place where we can perform things, we can get more audience who can appreciate whatever we are doing by seeing. And then that will make us also request you, please, to help us do things like a radio station. It will be very good. It will be very good, in fact, for us to have a radio station, because a radio station will really know whatever is going on around the world, and also will express all our feelings to the world, not only to our country, because this world nowadays needs youth from here and youth from there to interact. If we have the radio station, our talent can be appreciated by someone. If someone said, "Thank you very much, that was well done, I feel so good," than somebody paying me, at least some money. It is not more important. But what is important is encouragement, things to encourage, words to encourage. So if we have a radio station, it will make us really improve our talent. Some of the writers here do not want to stuck in papers only. They would also like to be on the stage. They would like to be in camera. They would like to produce films. They would like to write films on their own. They would like also to act. And if they would like to act, you will need us to have this talent to come up from the camera, to come up from the radio station, and first it is from the book, from the page, and then you'll go on the stage. Otherwise, those few requirements I would like to ask from you. I thank you very much. And this sister of mine here, she will also tell you because she's also a member of the Writers Club.